Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement instrument panel cluster in a Holden RG Colorado. So first off, click the vehicle button and then go to the instrument panel cluster tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module, or will show the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. Once loaded in, we'll head up to the flashing tab along the top. This shows the required calibrations to suit this cluster in this vehicle. Make sure that you have a battery maintainer fitted, and once you do, go ahead and click the right button. This will begin downloading the required files, and after that it will initiate the flashing sequence. Once it starts flashing, you'll see the cluster will display a few warnings and then it will go black. That is completely normal. The flashing only takes a few seconds on these clusters, so it is nice and quick. Once it's done, the cluster will then light back up and we'll see that we'll get a successfully flashed prompt from OBDSync. Click OK. We're going to head up to the Learn functions. We're then going to do a configuration and setup. This only takes a few seconds to complete. Then click OK on the prompt. Finally is a VIN security link. This programs the VIN and the immobilizer details into the instrument cluster for this vehicle. It takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete, so we're not going to press go this time. But after you're completed, you can then go to DTCs and clear any pending faults, and that's it all done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.